Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dave here with Go Gamers, and today we're going to be taking a look at this PlayStation 4 game console that's stuck in safe mode. If you're having issues where you're stuck in safe mode, if your screen is just stuck on being black, or if you're getting a message that says it could not access the hard drive, this video, we will go through a very easy and simple repair on how to be able to get this done. So let's go over to the upper cam and see if we can find out. All right, so we have regular standard PS4. Now, I want to let you guys know this will work on any PS4. Obviously, taking a hard drive out is just going to be a little bit different with each and every single game console. Now, when it's stuck in safe mode, or if it says it could not access the hard drive, typically if it says it could not access the hard drive, that usually just means that hard drive is fully gone out. When it's usually just stuck in safe mode, that means your hard drive is corrupted to the point where it can't even read the PlayStation OS off that hard drive. So that means you got to replace it. So what I'm going to put inside of here, now you can put any hard drive in here. I'm going to put a Western Digital 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue inside of this game console. Now, it doesn't matter what brand really. This is my favorite brand because I really don't have too many issues with the Western Digitals. I will say I would never recommend going over 1 terabyte. You obviously can, but I've seen a lot of times when people put in 2 terabytes, the HDD usually goes out quicker. I would recommend, if you are going to go over 1 TB, put in an SSD, but I wouldn't recommend dropping that much money in a PlayStation 4 game console. So let's go ahead and pop off the side right here. I'm going to take my Phillips bit. I'm going to take this out. Now, if you have a PS4 Slim or a PS4 Pro, the hard drives is going to be in a little bit of a different spot, but very easy to find. So I'm just actually going to clean this dust off over here. So we're going to take out all 4 of these black screws first. I'm going to take my 1 TB Western Digital, put it upside down. I'm going to put the screws back in there. All right, so we have the hard drive, the new hard drive inside of the game console. As you can see, we have our PlayStation controller hooked up. We have it wired in. We have a flash drive with the PS OS update on it. If you are looking for the PlayStation update, what you want to do is you want to go to google.com. You want to type in PlayStation 4 update. Click the first link. It's going to be a Sony PlayStation link, and you're going to want to get the update that initializes the hard drive. So that's the update that you want to get. So it's going to be 2 updates. It's going to be a standard update. You're going to want to get that second update for a new install, because what we're going to do is we're going to be doing a new install. So once you get the new HDD in, you're going to be at this screen, which is the safe mode screen. Don't be alarmed. We're going to press our PlayStation button, go over, click OK. Now what it's going to do is it's going to read that flash drive, make sure the proper update is on it. And then after that, we're going to move on to the next step. Also, I should let you guys know as well, if you guys have a Blu-ray drive issue where it's not taken in the disc, because I've seen this happen multiple times, where if it's not taken in the disc, that's usually going to be a fuse issue. If you are having that issue and you are currently stuck in safe mode, the reason why your console is stuck in safe mode is because when you try to update it, it tried to update your Blu-ray drive keys on the Renaissance chip. And if it can't make it through that fuse, which typically would be like an F6202 fuse, if it can't read past that fuse, all of a sudden it'll die out right there. So if you are having that F6202 issue, I do have videos on how to repair that. You could just go through my previous videos and look at that. But hopefully you're not, because that's a lot more complicated than what we're doing right here, right now. All right, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over and click on OK. And now it's going to initialize the hard drive and put the update on it. All right, so we are back at the PlayStation initialized screen. As you can kind of tell, it's a little bit blurry. Hopefully it focuses here soon, but trust me, it works. Everything is good. Once you get up to this point, you're just going to set up the game console like if it was brand new. And this is literally, you know, a quick and easy fix. The only thing that you have to do is you got to make sure you have that hard drive, you have a flash drive, and you have the update on that flash drive. But besides that, if this video did help you guys out, please make sure you're going ahead and smash that like button. If you have any extra questions or anything or any additional problems, leave your comment down below or go to our website at gogamers.com. You can reach out to us on our website. You can shoot us a call. We'll also be able to organize your repair. If you're having any extra issues, we'll be able to fix your problem for you. You can walk into one of our store locations. You can also ship it in to us, and we'll make sure we'll get your repair done. But besides that, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button and smash the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. See ya.